Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your account in Snapchat app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please write your comments and also put your likes. So let's get into this topic. And of course, you'll need to first open the Snapchat app. And then in the top left corner, click on your profile picture. Then, already in the upper right corner, click on the gear to go to Settings. And here, in the Settings, scroll to the very bottom. And at the very bottom, you'll find a function called Delete Account. Click on that. And you'll be taken to a page like this. What do you need to do next? This is the line where you will need to enter your name or your email. And then click Next. After that, you need to enter your Snapchat password here as well. After that, click Next again. And you will be taken to a page where you need to enter your Snapchat password once again. And click Continue. And that's actually the end of it, friends. So your Snapchat page, your account, it will be inactive for exactly 30 days. During those 30 days, you can come back and reactivate your account at any time. But if you don't, it will be automatically deleted after 30 days. That's how it is, friends. You can easily delete your account on Snapchat app. I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Write comments, make sure to put your likes, and see you soon.